Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you through creating a stunning landing page in Webflow. Whether it's for product launch or capturing leads, a good landing page is crucial. Let's dive in. First, log into your Webflow account and create a new site. Start by adding a section to serve as your hero area. Inside the section, add a container for alignment. Add a heading with a catchy headline and also add a paragraph for a subheading. Next, include a form block to capture user information. You can customize the form fields as needed: name, email, etc. Next, we want to add a compelling call to action button to encourage conversions. To make it visually appealing, add a background image or gradient to your hero section. You can also include images or icons relevant to your offer. Style your text and buttons using the Style panel to match your brand. Don't forget to set up form submissions. In the project settings, under the Forms tab, you can configure where form data is sent. Preview your page to ensure everything looks great on all devices. Once satisfied, go ahead and publish your landing page. And there you have it, a professional landing page built in Webflow. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. Links are in the description to start your free Webflow trial.